Yo, Alex, I'm making this video for you. I pulled out the car, so right now it is on. It's idling. You can see it. It's a little jumpy. Just warmed it up. I'll show you a video of it cold to warm. But anyway, I had to get gas and stuff. So 1:33:045 on the clock. So when you get it, it shouldn't be no more than another mile from loading it onto the truck. So the front bumper's off, and it's actually at the paint shop right now. It's going to get painted. We're going to try to get it to match, but you know, this red is pretty old, so it's definitely not going to match. But we're going to try to get it to color match for you, and I'll mock it up myself. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to zip tie it or something like that. Exactly how you see it is exactly how you're gonna get it. So yeah. All right, Alex, let me know.